Want to run 2 eFootball accounts on one Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to clone the eFootball app, no root required. Watch till the end. Welcome back to How to Wiz. If you love gaming tutorials, Android tricks, and AI tools, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Step 1. Install Island app. First, open the Google Play Store and search for the Island app. Install the app created by Wasis Feng. Once installed, open it. Step 2. Set up Island. When you open Island for the first time, it will ask you to create a work profile. Tap Setup and allow all permissions. This creates a separate space on your phone where cloned apps can run independently. The setup may take a minute depending on your device. Step 3. Clone eFootball. After setup is complete, go to the Mainland tab inside Island. Find eFootball in the app list. Tap the plus icon or select Clone to Island. Island will now create a second version of eFootball. Once completed, the cloned app will appear with a small briefcase icon. Step 4. Open the CLONED app. Now open the cloned eFootball app from your app drawer. You'll notice the briefcase symbol showing it's the work profile version. Log into your second eFootball account, and that's it. You can now use 2 accounts on the same phone. If the cloned version doesn't open correctly, here's a quick fix. Clone the Google Play Store into Island first, then log into a second Google account inside the cloned Play Store. After that, launch eFootball again. This solves most loading and login problems. If eFootball crashes or gets stuck, restart your phone, update Google Play services, make sure work profile is enabled, reinstall the cloned app, use stable internet during first launch. These fixes usually solve the problem. And that's how to clone eFootball using the Island app on Android. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more eFootball tutorials.